I can't. I can't. Already, I'm 2 seconds in and I want to kill myself.
Fuck you, my child is completely fine.
What the hell? To the bald head motherfucker that created algebra, fuck you. I hate you. You must have been high and out your motherfucking mind to create that shit. Who the fuck puts the alphabet in math? Who? That is bull.
Quick clackety duck, this is what the fuck I want. Can I get a 3?
You see this is why I don't fuck with white people. This is why.
Calm down, it was just water. It's not gonna kill you.
Stop crying, it was just water. Mom, wait, it was an accident. Yo, where the fuck is this class at, bro? Yo, you know where class C2 is?
Find it yourself, bitch.
Well, fuck you. Bitch out of here, man. Oh shit, here we go. Ooh. Dice roll. How y'all doing? Is this English class? The fuck? What the fuck are y'all looking at?
Where to?
Home. I'm going home.
Woman, I don't know where the fuck you live.
Oh.
Boom, boom, drugs, boom, gangs, boom, yeah, drugs boom, and gangs, and drugs, boom, drugs, boom, killing people, boom, assaulting women, yeah, and whatnot. Right,
Bro, I swear to God, if you are artificial intelligence, I will whoop your tail. I swear to God.
What? Oh, no. The fuck?
I ain't never seen two responsible best friends.
Yeah, my friend group, you ain't gonna see one. We take all our dumbass ideas, put them into one fucking kabobble of fuckery. And one of us ends up in jail.
Friend, my mom said you can stay over, but you gotta bring your church clothes. Me, church! Drug cartels secretly making drugs. The Netflix documentary crew. When you come to class and the teacher sitting like this, you know the whole class fucked up. Oh God. Waiter, would you like to start off with some fried pickles? Me. Every time. Seeing my sister happy is priceless. Nobody. Lil Wayne. You only got about 7 left.
It's 7 in the morning.
Repeat after me.
It's 7 in the morning.
Why do parents never unlock the car door? You see me walking towards the car, we make eye contact, but when I try to open it...
He tried it. Dad, this is my date. His name is...
God damn it, Brittany! Here, let me talk to you in the kitchen for a minute. Here, we'll be right back, young man. Hold on. What the fuck?
Dad, there's a black guy in the living room.
I know, Scott! I know!
Mom, come down to meet Brittany's date.
Who is it?
I don't know, some black guy. Hey, you're a handsome little chocolate drop, aren't you? My name is...
Linda, take his cock out of your mouth and calm down.
Oh, fuck you, Ryan.
Yeah, well, maybe you would. If my cock was black.
Oh, you know it, honey. Yeah, you know me so well.
Yeah, but I don't know that pussy. She's been 6 months now. White women, right?
Wait, bitch. Oh, yeah. That shit going. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. You motherfucker. Oh, sorry, man. Fuck you. No,
Go in your room and don't come out. Boy, stop all that screaming before I come in there again. I got the scope aimed right at your head. You can't see me, but I see you. And I'm blasting shots. Headshots only. I'm locked and loaded, nigga. Oh, you think it's a game? I'm about to send you straight to the gulag, homeboy.
Mom? What? Can you buy me a 3D printer? Well, why do you need a 3D printer? You're 7 years old. Well, because I'm gonna use the 3D printer to print more 3D printers, and then we're gonna be rich. What the? My kid's a genius.
Alright guys, if I mess up your name, just correct me, okay? Alright, I'm gonna just try my best. You
already know who it is. It's your boy.
I can't do it. Nah, did your mama name you that? Like, what?
Mom. Mommy! Boy, what the hell you want? Look what I can do. I'm beating your ass.
Here's me under the bed waiting for my twin brother to come in his room so I can scare him.
What the hell?
Will you come play with me? I don't want to be alone. We can play forever and ever.